Black Lab species is untamable, unpettable.
Oh, he's a good boy.
Well, maybe sometimes.
You a good boy.
They also have no boundary lines, no limits. They can go wherever they want, whenever they want, except for the garden, the big chicken coop, definitely not outside the fence, and especially not in with the baby chickens. They also have to forage for their own food, right from our hands. They have to actually sit up to get it. And they are definitely not spoiled. He just likes being inside with his blankie. But the rookie made a mistake. It is 5 degrees too cold. The lab will especially not drink this. Unacceptable.